Okay, so there's a few different ways to do this one, but the main thing we should be thinking when we see this kind of question is that we need to get rid of the denominators. Okay, I think when I first saw it, I thought I'll try and get the denominators onto one side. Okay, so I thought let's say we've got x divided by 2, and then I want to get rid of that 1, I want to move that 1 to one side. Okay, so I'll do 3 minus x divided by 5 minus 1, sorry, plus 1, just to get rid of the 1, and then I want to move this over to the left. Okay, so I'll take this away. So I've got x divided by 2, I'm going to take away 3 minus x divided by 5 equals 1. Okay, so I think when we see this, we can instantly identify that we need to do a smiling cross, to get rid of our or multiply out by a common factor to get rid of the denominators. I think when it's like this form, it's a wee bit trickier. So that was my kind of first thought. You don't have to do it this way to begin with, but this I thought was quite neat when I saw it. So if we times everything by 2, we'll get rid of this 2, which is great. We won't get rid of this 5. If we times it by 5, we'll get rid of this 5, but not 2. So we need to get a common denominator and then multiply that through, don't we? So 2 and 5, let's say a common denominator of 10. Okay, so this is like smiling cross. So 5 times 2 gives us 10. Okay, and then I want to times this up here by 5. So we're going to get 5x. And then multiply this, so it's going to give me 2, 3 minus x equals 1. Okay, take away. So now I've got a common denominator, I can actually put them together. Okay, so I can now say 5x minus 2 times 3 minus x divided by 10 is equal to 1. Okay, I can actually add them together. And then I can put the 10 up here. Okay, I can say 5x minus 2, 3 minus x is equal to 10. And then multiply this out. So 5x minus, so 2 times 3 gives us 6. And then minus 2 times minus x give us plus 2x. Okay, so that's going to give us 7x minus 6 is equal to 10. Move the 6 over, it's going to be 7x is equal to 16. So then x is going to be equal to 16 divided by 7. Okay, so that's one way that I would think of doing it. Okay, just to kind of help group these terms. You don't have to do it that way though. Okay, love that out. Okay, so when we get to this, we'll go back actually. Go back one. When we get to this stage, this isn't gonna have to redo that, I think. Sorry, that's a particularly boring part of the video. So yeah, when we go back to this stage, minus 3 minus x divided by 5. To get rid of this, we want to times everything by 2, and to get rid of this, we want to times everything by 5. Okay, so we could just times everything by 2. Okay, so over here, I'm going to get x minus 2, 3 minus x divided by 5. Oops. Okay, so I've just times everything on this side by 2. And I'd have to do the same on the other side as well. So I'd have to do 1 times 2 as well. So times that by 2. Okay, so I've just times everything by 2. This, everything by 2. And then do the same with the 5, times everything by 5. Okay, so that'll give me 5x minus 2, 3 minus x is equal to 10. Okay, and then same again. 5x minus 6 plus 2x is equal to 10. Move that over, add these together. So these would become 7x, and that becomes 16, I'm moving the 6 over, so adding 6. So x again is 16 divided by 7. So you could do it that way as well, to get rid of these denominators, times everything by the 2, times everything by 5, but you have to make sure it's everything. I have to do this term, and this term. So times everything by 2 means I get rid of the divide by 2. It means there's a 2 up here, and then this is times by 2. Then times all by 5. So there are different ways of doing it. Okay, but yeah, you want to get rid of your denominators. Okay. I quite like the first method, kind of smile and cross, thinking on its fractions, but yeah, different ways to do it. Okay. Is there another way of doing it? Probably, but that's all I can think of just now. In terms of your marks, you're going to get your first mark for getting rid of your denominators. So you'll probably get your first mark round about here. Okay. And then you get your second mark by the time you get down to this point, and then your third mark for rearranging. So that's quite a lot to do just to get your first mark, getting rid of the denominators. But yeah, that's your marking.